Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and 24-hour display on your Casio GA-140 with the module 5612. So this tutorial is going to work for other Casio G-Shock watches out there, for example the GA-100, the G-Shock Square, so the 5610, as well as the Casio Oak, so the GA-100. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds when you are in your home screen. So press and hold for 3 seconds, just like that. You are going to see your home city flickering, so flashing. This means that you have arrived at the basic settings of the watch. Now we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. Here we have the DST, and if I press it one more time, we are going to arrive at the 24-hour display. So as you can see, I have it set for 24 hours. If I press the forward button, you will be able to see that I have switched to 12-hour display, and here I am being shown 4 p.m. instead of 16. If I want to switch back to the 24-hour display, I'm going to press the forward button once again, and as you can see, instead of 4 p.m. we have 16. In order to finalize the process, we are going to press the adjust button and your setting is going to be saved. As you can see, we have 24-hour display, so military time, shown right here at the 12-hour sub-dial right there, guys. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio GA-140 as well as any of the other models right here, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also check out the links in the description box below, because I have a full guide for each and one of them, guys. In case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe, guys. Leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next. Give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow, and I'm going to see you on the next video.